Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a simple image and file uploader in Codeigniter and Ajax. So Codeigniter is a great framework for PHP. It is a great framework to learn also. So in this video we will be looking to build this application from scratch. So this is the interface of this application. You can just give a title of the image and you can just upload the image. So first of all, let me just give a image titles. Let's suppose image1, and if I just choose a file to upload here, I can just choose, let's suppose, this image, and if I upload the button, click the upload button, you will see that upload image successful. So I am storing all these images in my database. So you can see that if I refresh the table, one entry will be added here with the title of image1, and this is the full path of the image. And now if I go back to the folder here, this is the folder in which I am storing all my images. So this is the assets folder, and inside this the images. So all the uploaded images will be stored inside it. So I have uploaded this image here. So this is stored inside my folder, and you can just view this image. You can see that. And simple file upload or image upload application, we will be building this Codeigniter and Ajax. So let's get started. Please show the support, guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like button like this, and also share this video by hitting this share button, and please hit this red subscribe button and turn all notifications by selecting all, so you will get all the notifications of my channel. It is totally free. Hello guys, now let me just tell you how to build this application. Let me just introduce you to the dependencies. So first of all, I will be using this framework Codeigniter. So just go to Google and type Codeigniter, and you will be redirected to the official website here, and just click on the download button. And if you don't have Codeigniter installed, you should download the stable version, which is Codeigniter 3. Click the download button and it will be coming in a zip file. So the other dependency is exam, guys. So for the database, I am using MySQL. So this comes with the exam control panel. So just download also this and start your server. And inside your exam folder, which is located in C drive, you can see that exam htdocs. Create a new folder, guys, which will be file upload. I have given this name, that is file upload. So inside this, you will get your zip file. You just need to extract that zip file. So extract all the contents, and you will be receiving all these files. So just copy paste all these files, and let's start building this project. And also one other thing, guys, in order to create your database, so just go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. So let me just show you localhost/phpMyAdmin. So this is a database area. So here you just need to create a simple database. Let's suppose I have already created my database, which is code file upload. So inside this database, I have created a simple table of gallery, which has a structure of, you can see that which has a structure. Let me just show you. It has a ID, which is a primary key of the table, and then in the title of the image, which is a varchar 100, and the third entry will be the file name, so which will be storing the file address of the image, so full path of the image. So this is again varchar 40 characters. So just create these database and table, and we will be start building this application. So now just open this file, guys. Open this folder inside your Visual Studio Code. I am using Visual Studio Code. You can use any text editor of your choice. So go to application first of all, and go to config folder. There is a config folder inside it, and go to this file, which is autoload.php, and make these changes here. So we are just setting up our libraries. So go to this file here. You can see that autoload libraries. So here you just need to write a database, and just move down here. And when you find this helper here, you just need to add URL here. So now, guys, after connecting all these dependencies in our Codeigniter application, so just make a new folder here, which is assets. So inside this, we will be making another folder, which will be images. So here we will be storing all our images, which will be uploaded in this application, and just store this folder here. And now we will make a controller for our application. So just in the application folder, we have a controllers folder here. You can see that. And here we just need to create a simple controller which will upload the file for us. So just make this as upload.php, and here we will write the controller code. So first of all, we will make a class which will upload. which will extend the class which is CI controller. And here we just need to first of all call the constructor function. So function, sorry, we just need to put this sign constructor, and inside this we just need to first of all call the parent constructor. And after that we just need to load a view, this.load, model. We just need to load the data for our application, so this is load model. So inside this we will provide this a name which will be upload model. So we will create this file later on, so just load this for now. And now we will create a simple index function, and inside this we will load our view. So this.load.view. So inside this we will provide our view a name which will be upload view. We will also create this file later on. And now we will write a simple function which will do the uploading part for us, which will be do upload. So a set of curly brackets. So inside this we will write the logic in how to upload the file. So first of all we will set some config variables. This will be upload path, so the path of where you want to store your images. So we will be storing inside assets folder which we have created /images. So you just need to put a / here, put a semicolon. So this will be configuring the path. And now we just need to tell the types, the allowed types property. So what types of images that we can upload here? We can upload GIF, PNG and JPEG. After that we just need to write config, and we just need to provide this property which is very simple, encrypt name, and we just need to initialize it to true. And after that we just need to load a library which will be this.load library. And here we just need to pass our library which will be upload. This is a file that we are creating here, we just need to load it. So we are passing this as upload, and we are passing the second variable as config. So we are passing this upload function, and also we are passing these config values, the path, the allowed types and encrypt name. So just call this, and after that we just need to make a simple if condition. So if this upload, and there inside we have this do upload method that we have created. So inside this we just need to provide a file name. So when we create the index.html, we will provide a name attribute as file. So we are just receiving this file attribute like this. So inside this we will check that if the upload is successful, then we just need to make a data variable. So inside this we will make an array, and inside this we will be making a upload data property, and we will be just be initializing it to this.upload data. We will call this function, and now we will be giving the title to the image. We can just grab it by this.input.post. So we will be making a post request, so we will be making use of post here. So inside this there will be a name attribute of title, so which will grab the title of the image. And similarly we will be grabbing the image path, which will be again be located in the data property. So upload data, and there is a file name property which will hold the path. That's it. And now we have got the title and the image, and now we just need to save it in our database. So for this we will be making use of this function, which will be this dot upload model, and we will call a simple save method. save upload, and we will pass the title and the image. That's it. And now we just need to send a simple response to the user by using JSON decode, and inside this we can just pass the result. That's it. So our controller file is complete, guys. So now we just need to make the model for our application. So just go to the models folder here. So this is our models folder. So we just need to create a simple file which will be the data which is required for our application. So just make this file as upload model.php. So here we just need to write our upload model class. So upload model extends CI model. So inside this we will write our function which we have called here, which is save upload. We are calling this function from here in the controller class upload.php. We are calling this method save upload. Now we are defining it. So inside this expects the title of the image and the image path. So inside this method, guys, we just need to make a simple data variable which will be actually be an array. So inside this we just need to first of all pass the title of the image, which will be the title plus comma, and now we will be making a simple file name property which will be the actual file name. So this will be equal to image. That's it. And now we just need to make a simple result, and we just need to insert it. So this db insert, so this is the method db.insert, and here we just need to provide the database name, which is code file. Oh, sorry guys, here we just need to provide the table name. So inside my database I have created a table. The table name is gallery, so I will just pass this name. So whatever table name that we have given, so just pass this, and inside this put a comma and pass your data which is located in this data array here. That's it. And now just return the result. That's it. And this title and file name properties are coming from the column names. So in our, you can see that these column names are similar here. So title and file name. So whatever column names that you have given, you should match these column names that you can see, that title and file name. And now our model is also complete, guys. And now we just need to return a view so that we can interact with the application. So just go to the views folder here and create a new view, which will be, let's suppose I call this view as upload.php. So here inside view I can just create this as upload.php. So here I just need to create a simple HTML document here. Codeigniter file upload, close the title, and here we can just import some Bootstrap also, which we will needing for this application. So just go to Google and type Bootstrap CDN and go to w3schools.com. Here you will get all the CDNs. So just drag down here, and we also need the CSS part. We also need jQuery also and Bootstrap min.js. So copy all these three scripts and paste it here at the very top. That's it. And now we just need to make a simple form so that we can just upload our file. So right in the body we will be having a simple div class container. So this is the Bootstrap class. So inside this we will be having our form. Form will be having a class of form horizontal, and it will be having a ID so that we can just target in the Ajax. So just give a ID of submit. So inside this form we will be having a div which will be having a class of form group. So inside this, guys, we will be having our input field, which will be of type text, and this will be having a name property of title and a ID, or we will also be giving a form class of form control. This is a Bootstrap class, and a placeholder of title. So close this, and we will repeat this process for the where we can just select our file. So just copy paste this div and change this input type to file and name also to file. That's it. And just remove this form control, we don't want this, and also placeholder. Now let me just run this application so that you can just see some thing out there. If I refresh this, you will see that unable to load the requested file upload view.php. Let me just see. Just rename this to upload/view, guys, so it can just, now if I reload this, you will see that this is a title input field, and this is a choose file button where you can just choose your files here. And now after this, we will be having a simple button so that we can just submit our file. So div class form group. So inside this, we will be having a simple button which will be having a class of btn danger. So this is a Bootstrap class, and let me also give an ID to it, which is btn upload, and just give a label to it, which will be upload. That's it. So now if I refresh it, you will see that it will be having a upload button. And now we just need to write some Ajax so that we can just process this form here. So right here at the very bottom, just create a new script tag and close the script tag also. And now we will write some Ajax here so that we can just process this form here. We will write the document.ready function of jQuery. So when all the documents are loaded, we just need to target the form. So we have I think that we have given a ID to this form here, which will be submit. I haven't given the ID. Let me just see. You can see that we have given this ID of submit. So we are targeting this form, so we are binding a submit event handler. So whenever the form is submitted, we just need to call this function, and this function will receive the event variable. So here we can just call a simple function e.prevent default, and it will prevent the auto submission of the form. And after this, we just need to make a simple Ajax call, which will be $.ajax. So inside this, we just need to pass a URL. So now, guys, in the URL, we will be concatenating our base URL inside index.php/upload/doUpload. So this simply means that we are calling this upload.php, and inside this file we are calling this method, which will be doUpload, which will actually upload the file to the server here. So after providing this, we just need to set more parameters, which will be type. So type simply means that this is a post request, so just set type to post. And now we will provide our data. So inside our data, we will be having new form data. So we will provide here this. So just pass here this and put a comma. And we will have the process data. We just need to set it as false, and we also have to set content type to also false. And there is another property which will be catch. So we are not doing any kind of catching in our application, so also set it to false. Async will also be false, and we will be having a success callback. So whenever we have successfully uploaded our image, now we can just return a callback function which will hold the actual image to us, and we can just make a alert box just alerting the user that the image has been uploaded. So we can just write a simple message here that is upload image successful. That's it. So this is our application, guys. We have completed our application. Now if I run the application, if I go back to it and refresh it, now if I just give a title to the image, let's suppose image2, and if I choose a file here, let's suppose I choose this file, and let's suppose I click the upload button, you will see that upload image successful. And now if I check the assets folder, let's suppose I go to my folder here, which is file upload. This is file upload, and there is the assets folder. So now you will see that one image has been successfully uploaded. And let me also see the database. So you will see a entry being added. You will see that image2, and this is the corresponding path of the image which is stored inside our directory. So in this simple way, you can just build a simple file upload in Codeigniter and Ajax. So thanks very much for watching this video.